brush engine 311, medic engine 22. Report of a vegetation fire. Was smoke seen in the area? Investigation now float smoke and flames seen. Mojave Narrows Park, Ridgecrest Road at Yates Road, Ridgecrest at Yates, Victorville, Spring Valley Lake 007. Tactics on B-Fire 26.
Battalion 149.
Okay, 149, we've had multiple reports of smoke in the area down along the river bottom at Mojave Narrows.
Copy, let's add 2 additional brush engines and a water tanker. Let's go ahead and start the crew, our dozer, and Sheriff Center with water dropping capabilities. Also, I'd like an additional attack, B-Fire 25 and BBC air to ground.
Make engine 22 is on scene. We obviously have about 2.5 acres of brush. Fire is burning in a southwesterly direction. No structures threatened. Burning away from the heavy vegetation.
Can you show me on CNOB Narrows? I see command post is going to be at my vehicle, the heel end of the fire, where 22's at. Have all incoming units switched to attack.
Battalion 149, I copy. Assuming Narrows, I see command post at your VC vehicle. The end of the fire where medic engine 22 is located. All incoming units switch over to TAC. Break. All incoming units for the vegetation fire, Mojave Narrows Park, switch over to TAC.
Constant brush engine 311 on scene, switch to TAC.
Brush engine 311.
Narrows, I see 40 King 4.
Go for Narrows, I see.
Yeah, we did a quick little size up for you, sir. We're going to sit down and put a bucket on. Looks like everything's traveling eastbound towards the lake. There is another spot fire that just picked up north of. We're going to get a bucket on and see if we can help out with that. 5 acres at this time. If it starts to spread to the north, you might have some issues, so it might be a good spot to start.
Constant Narrows, I see.
Narrows, I see.
Copy, I'll move up to the core station.
Narrows, I see. Comm Center.
Narrows, I see.
CHP is advising you that they do have a unit that's overhead and you have a second fire just north of your location.
Top 104.
104.
I'll be assuming Narrows, I see.
Okay, we're trying to work our way into that spot fire. The helicopters are actually working right now. 332's got that flank on just south of us, and then 311's is air-to-ground contact.
Constant 101, you can show me route to the Narrows incident.